Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance Verified Plus. First, understand that this advanced verification level is crucial for serious traders. It provides significantly higher withdrawal limits and access to exclusive features. We'll walk through the exact requirements and the step-by-step process to ensure you can achieve this status efficiently and without hassle. To begin, ensure your basic identity verification is already complete. You'll need two key documents: a valid government-issued identification, like a passport or driver's license, and a recent proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement from the last 3 months. Make sure these documents are clear, legible, and accurately reflect the information on your Binance account. Now, let's dive into the process. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the verification section, usually found under your profile settings. Here, you'll upload clear, high-resolution photos of your government ID and proof of address. Following this, the system will guide you through a facial verification scan. Ensure good lighting and a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Achieving Verified Plus status unlocks substantial benefits, including significantly increased daily withdrawal limits, often exceeding $200,000, and access to higher trading volumes. A pro tip: double-check all document uploads for clarity before submission to avoid delays. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. This helps keep your car fresh while you focus on your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.